Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Acorns. Acorns is a popular investing app that helps you save and invest your money automatically. But who actually uses Acorns? And is it right for you? Before we get into the details, let's take a look at some of the benefits of using Acorns. Benefits of using Acorns. Easy to use, Acorns is very easy to set up and use. You simply link your bank account and choose how much you want to save each month. Acorns will then automatically round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. Affordable, Acorns is a very affordable investment platform. There are no account fees or minimum investment requirements. Diversified, Acorns invests your money in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. This helps to reduce your risk. Tax efficient, Acorns offers a number of tax-efficient investing options. Good for beginners, Acorns is a great option for beginners who are just starting to learn about investing. Who uses Acorns? Acorns is used by people of all ages and backgrounds. However, it is particularly popular among young people and millennials. According to a recent survey, 60% of Acorns users are under the age of 35. This is likely because Acorns is a very convenient and affordable way to save and invest money. Acorns is also popular among people who are new to investing. The app's simple interface and automated features make it easy to get started. Is Acorns right for you? Acorns is a great option if you're looking for an easy and affordable way to save and invest your money. However, it's important to consider your individual financial situation before signing up. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Your investment goals. What are you trying to achieve with your investments? Are you saving for retirement? A down payment on a house? Or something else? 1. StarTechLife.com. StarTechLife.com. Your risk tolerance. How much risk are you willing to take? Your investment knowledge. How much do you know about investing? If you're not sure whether Acorns is right for you, it's always a good idea to talk to a financial advisor. How to get started with Acorns. If you're interested in using Acorns, here's how to get started. Download the Acorns app. Create an account. Link your bank account. Choose how much you want to save each month. Acorns will start automatically rounding up your purchases and investing the difference. Acorns is a great way to save and invest your money automatically. It's easy to use, affordable, and diversified. If you're looking for an easy way to get started with investing, Acorns is a great option. If you're interested in learning more about Acorns, I encourage you to check out their website or download the app. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about Acorns. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.